Hey everyone, so in today's video we're going to be doing a box opening, a review on these Hyperlites. Now they're high bay lights, they're meant for, high ceilings, and I've used these before in a commercial setting, and they're great. I actually used these in a really big building, just two of them, and it was enough to light up for what I needed. Now this is a shop that I plan on working in, so I kind of want it a little bit brighter. I bought four, but I think we can get by with two. The shop isn't very big, it's 22 by 40, and the actual size we're lighting is really only 22 by 30, so it's about 600 square feet. Now my ceilings are 14 feet high, so I have that's why we got the high bay ones versus the what we have now. I'm gonna show you what I have now, and you can kind of see like the problem I'm dealing with, and I'll show you. So you can see what we're dealing with here. These lights, they're typical shop lights, and they're not bright, not really at night. And then on top of that, the ballast goes in them and they start to like blink like these ones are. And the light bulbs are pretty expensive. I think the light bulbs are like $5 to $10 each, something like that, and it adds up over time. All right, so let's open up one of these. We'll do the box opening so you can kind of know what to expect. Again, these are really easy to work with. They have a very good warranty. I think it's 5 years, and it's purchased on Amazon. The price is it's not the cheapest lights that you can buy, but you gotta pay for quality, Okay, so the warranty information and your instructions. It's a standard 110 outlet. I don't know if you can buy these in 220. I'm sure you can, but in America we use 110. Comes with a hook that you screw into the top of your light, and I'll show you guys how that works here in a minute. That's it for what's inside the box. There's not much else in there, just foam. So let's go ahead and we'll just use this. So this light right here, it's purple and gray. These are used for dimmers. Now if you have a dimmer application, then this is what you'd want to hook them up to your switch. Otherwise, you just you just plug it right into your outlet. And you can plug it into an outlet, or you can take this back cover apart, and I believe you can hook up wires directly into it, or you can just cut this cord and and hardwire it in as well. I recommend just using an outlet. It looks better and makes these things plug and play. So if you need to move them or take them down for whatever reason, it's very simple to do. This is what the light looks like. Just LED light. We're gonna go. This is also here. It's a safety cable to wrap around a 2x4 or something in case this part fails right here. You can then you can rest assured that it's not going to fall and break or hurt somebody or anything like that. So tighten up. There's a screwdriver down here to tighten up. Okay, and then it comes with an Allen key, and that Allen key is to tighten this up. But from experience, you don't need an Allen key. You can just do it with your fingers. You can finger tighten it all the way tight and all the way loose. And this is just to prevent this from hopping off of your hook. So I went ahead and purchased a couple hooks. And this is what they look like. Typical eye hook. And it's just going to go in here like this, and it's going to hold it like that. So. All right, so pretty easy from here. We're just gonna take this old light off, install the new one. I'll get to that in a minute. So this isn't long enough for me to wrap around this 2x4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off this clip. I'm going to use the screw I used to take off that other light. And I'm going to install this in here. Just right here is fine. As long as this thing, when it swings, it falls, it'll swing this way and then dangle like this. It won't swing towards the garage door, so it won't cause any damage if for some reason that hook fails. There we go. It ain't going nowhere. We just gotta plug it in. Okay, so we just finished it up. I just got the last ones done there. And what we're gonna do now is shut this light off, or shut the door, put the breaker, and see how it looks. That's one side, that's the other. Yeah, we're pretty satisfied here. This is bright, bright, bright. So, I'm glad I went with 4 and not 2. 2 would have got the trick done, but there would have been a lot more shadows. I could probably even throw another one in the center, like, you know, like a 5, you know, like a dice. But pretty happy with this. It wasn't that long either. It just took me probably an hour, you know, or so. Getting down the old lights and whatnot. Got 1, 2, 3, 4. I think 4 was the proper coverage. You can kind of see shadows a little bit, but you know, like right there's a shadow. It's not terrible though. It's nothing like it would be with just 2 lights. And then over here, it's pretty bright on the bench area. And this whole wall is going to be a bench, and that whole wall is going to be a bench as well. So I kind of needed it bright towards the walls. That's why I opted to go a little bit closer to the walls, as opposed to like in the middle. They're about 5 foot off the walls, 5 foot off that wall. So in between, we're looking at roughly 12 feet, 10 to 12 feet. So it turned out pretty good. I'm pretty excited about this, and I'm really happy that I made the purchase. If this video helped you out in any way, hit that like button. You know, it really helps out the channel. And then if you like these type of videos, hit the subscribe button for more videos to come. Also, if you end up having a similar story, or you end up getting these lights and installed them, leave a comment. Let me know how it went. Thanks.